Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sasha Konaka and today we'll be cooking in the kitchen. My recipe today is lovely and it's simple, much like all the recipes that I make. But today the recipe is a Buddha ball. So oftentimes Buddha balls have starch, vegetables, protein and a fat, and that's exactly the same setup that I followed today. My Buddha ball today had roast carrot, roast potatoes, a bean salad, some rice and some avocado. It was simple, it was quick, and it was so refreshing to have during the summer to autumn period, and I really think that you guys will enjoy it. To start things off, we're going to add some beans to a mixing bowl. I had dried beans that I rehydrated and boiled until cooked, but you can use some cooked beans, some canned beans I mean. Then we're going to add some cucumber. I cubed my cucumber. This is about 1/3 of a cup. And then I shredded some red cabbage. I noticed that cutting cabbage and shredding cabbage, it's easier to shred cabbage. You get smaller pieces and not bite-sized, smaller chunks. I added some salt, a teaspoon of salt. This is for the cabbage and for the cucumber, and also just to give taste to the dish. Shortly after, I added some tomato, and a tablespoon of vegan mayonnaise. And once I added the mayonnaise, I combined and I stirred until everything was well combined, I guess. This is a stage where you could add some tahini if you have some tahini. This is a great way to add. This is like your dressing for the salad. I then added half a lime. And then I gave that a good toss and my salad was ready. Simple, quick, easy, won't take you more than 5 minutes. I then had some boiled rice, which I served with some of the salad, some avocado for some fat, some roast carrots for like a crunch flavor, and roast potatoes that were seasoned and grilled and had some seasoning of paprika, just slightly seasoned with paprika. I wanted this dish to be simple and to be light, and just like that, we're ready. This dish was filling, this dish was satisfying. Another great thing about this meal is that you can meal prep it. It lasts about 2 days in the fridge altogether, but if you store everything separately, it can last about 4 days separately. It is great. I think you'll love this recipe if you try it out, and it's also really nice to look at. Any person that sees this meal would want to try it. There's no way they wouldn't. All these beautiful colors, like wow.